Welcome to another video displaying our work. We were hired to rehabilitate this basement which suffers from crack, peeling, and dusty walls. In this video, I will share the products we use to complete this job and the steps in the process of providing our client with flat and smooth cement walls. To get started, if you look closely, you can see that these walls are in bad shape and have lost their outer protective cement coating, especially at the base of the walls. The stone foundation is exposed, and this is a serious issue concerning the structure of the house. We protect the entire concrete floor to prevent cement splatter and staining. This step also reduces our cleanup time when we are finished cementing these walls. A neat and clean job always satisfies our clients. With plastic and painter's tape, we also protect pipes, heaters, and electric boxes from cement splatter. Prepping the walls for cement is a very important step before advancing to the next step. In this step, we are now applying a glue to the walls before we apply the first coat. We wait for the glue to become tacky to the touch before applying the first coat of cement. The glue allows for the first coat to stick to the wall. This bond protects and increases the durability of our work. Now it's time to apply the first coat. Our cement sprayer shines when it comes to filling in deep pocket holes because it sprays the cement deep into the holes. In addition to the glue that we have applied, we also add fiberglass directly to the mix to increase the durability and strength of the cement. So we make it a point to apply cement to obstacles like pipes, heaters, areas that it's very difficult to get into, but mice, they will find these holes, so our job is to fill up any holes as best as possible. The scratch coat is another important step in this process. It allows for the second coat to stick to the first coat. So again, remember, we have the prepping of the walls, we have the glue, we have the first coat with fiber, and also we have now the step of scratching the walls and prepping for the last coat. The first coat has been applied, it's been scratched. Now we're ready for the second coat. We use lime in our cement, and the lime makes it so that the cement is sticky, allowing the cement to stick to the wall. Again, I can't stress the effort that we put in with getting behind obstacles such as this one. In this step, we are now applying the last coat. This part of the process is very important for leveling the wall. Once the cement has dried to a certain point, we begin the sponging phase of the job. This is another leveling step, which provides a nice level flush wall, just like the walls upstairs. We don't only cement behind tough spots, we also smooth behind them as well. Notice the tight seal we now have between the floor beams. We have closed off any opportunity for rodents or any uninvited guests. Take note of the smooth finish we are applying to this finish coat. After a week of dry time, these walls will be ready to paint. We apply a quality elastomeric paint from Sherwin-Williams for painting cement walls. However, first a prime coat is required. I recommended my clients to use a bright white paint to brighten this typically dark room. A white paint is more reflective, requiring the use of less lighting. Wrapping pipes and protecting utilities from splattered cement makes our job so much easier when it's time to wrap up. Also, a clean job enhances the look and feel of a job. This is simply another step in a professional job. We don't only cement behind tough spots, we also smooth behind them as well. Now it's time for the cleanup. And you can see how easy the cleanup is because of the prep work before cementing this basement. We will leave our client's floor in the same condition before we started this job. As shown, the deep pocketed holes are filled. The new walls are flat and ready for elastomeric paint. Areas behind pipes and heaters are cemented. This area behind the steps is now neat and clean. Finally, and most importantly, all open gaps allowing mice and other uninvited guests are now plugged.
Dependable concrete has been great over the last week. The whole team came out, did a great job, assessed my basement, all the work and repairs that it needed, and it got the job done. Great team, came in, did what needed to be done, left everything nice and clean. I'm very pleased with the results down here in this basement.
Thank you.
That's it. All right.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.